Hello again, everybody. Today we're doing the Let's Learn More section for Unit 6 in Let's Go 5. And this section started off with 8 new activities that can be done in different seasons. The activities, just so that you can remember, looked like this.
Go trekking.
Go to a water park.
Go rafting.
Go to a baseball game.
Go scuba diving.
Go surfing.
Go snowboarding.
Go horseback riding.
And then after that, we started to make sentences about Andy, Scott, Kate, and Jenny, and we made sentences about the future. So we said, we'll probably, I think we can go ahead and practice that.
What will Andy do?
Andy will probably go surfing.
What will Kate do?
Kate will probably go horseback riding.
What will Scott do?
Scott will probably go scuba diving.
Okay, the pattern that we learned on these pages was a double pattern. We were asking questions about before now, so past tense questions, and then also questions about after now, future tense questions. If it's before now, you will see the helping word did. And you'll also see a time that's before now, like last week or last summer. If it's after now, future, you will see the helping word will or ul, apostrophe LL. And you'll also see a future time like next summer or tomorrow. All right, so let's take that pattern and practice it.
What did he do last winter?
He went sledding.
What will he do next summer?
He'll probably go scuba diving.
What will they do next fall?
They'll probably go trekking.
Perfect. All of our practice is done. We're ready to jump into our workbooks.
All right, it is workbook time, and we're going to do pages 50 and 51. And on page 50, we have to find and circle the words and then write it here. But for me, it's always a little bit easier to write it first. So I'm going to look in my student book for the spelling, and I'm going to write in the words here and then find them after. The first one is trekking, so that's T-R-E-K-K-I-N-G. Kind of the same thing as going backpacking, but you don't sleep out. Next one, this is horseback riding. Go horseback riding. So H-O-R-S-E-B-A-C-K. That's horseback, on the back of a horse. And riding, R-I-D-I-N-G. All right, the next one has this little boat and a life jacket. So that is rafting. Go rafting. R-A-F-T-I-N-G. The next one has this board that we use in the snow. So this is go snowboarding. S-N-O-W-B-O-A-R-D-I-N-G. Go snowboarding. The next one has a mask, fins, and an air tank. So all of these things are used when I go scuba diving. Scuba, S-C-U-B-A, and diving, D-I-V-I-N-G. Go scuba diving. All right, number 6, there's a ball and a bat. So this is go to a baseball game. B-A-S-E-B-A-L-L space game, G-A-M-E. Number 7, we have a wetsuit here to keep us warm in the water and a surfboard. So this is go surfing, S-U-R-F-I-N-G. Number 8, there are some slides and a big pool. So this is a water park. Go to a water park, W-A-T-E-R space P-A-R-K, water park. Okay, so far we have only found trekking. So cross that off. Next we have to find horseback riding. And then, ooh, what's that? Water park. All right, let's circle water park first. Nice, water park's done. We're still looking for horseback riding. Oh, I passed it. Here it is. Horseback riding. Wow, it's so long. Okay, that one's done. Next is rafting. Row, R, looking for R's. Ra. Oh, look at this. Baseball game. There's baseball game. All right, we can cross that one off. I'm still looking for rafting. Rafting. There it is. Okay. And next we're looking for snowboarding. S-N-O-W. Oh, look at this, it's going down. S-N-O-W-B-O-A-R-D-I-N-G. There's snowboarding right there. Okay, now we need to find scuba diving. All right, scuba. S-U, oh, there's surfing. Surfing. Okay. We just need scuba diving and then we're done. Scuba is here, so it's S-C. C, D-D-D-D-S. There's an S, no C. S, no C. S-M, no C. S-C-U. Okay, here we are. Scuba diving. And done. Part A is finished. All right, and part B just says, what about you? Right. What will you do on your next vacation? And for me, I'll probably, my next vacation, I want to go somewhere warm, so I'll probably go to the beach. I hope. And you can write any phrase here that you want to do or that you think you will probably do on your next vacation. Part B is done. All right, and this is part C. It just says answer the questions, then draw. And for this one, we have to answer this question first, and then we have to draw it in the box. All right, so first one, what did he do last fall? He went, they changed it to past tense because of did. Apple picking, trace it up. He went apple picking. What will he do next fall? He'll, because will is here, probably go trekking. Okay. He'll probably go trekking. What did she do last winter? And she went skating. I'm gonna say went because it has did here, so I know it's in the past tense. What will she do next winter? So we'll say she will. Short form is she'll. She'll probably, and I need a winter activity, let's say have a snowball fight. You could put something different in here as long as it's a winter thing. Cross off that one, give it a period. And here she is. Throwing a snowball. And here's a friend. Oh, don't hit me with a snowball. Running away from the snowball. Okay, number 3. What did they do last spring? So they went horseback riding, and we'll say went because this is past tense. We have the did helping word. Horseback riding. What will they do next spring? So I'll say they will. Short form is they'll. They'll have a picnic. Again, you can put any answer in here as long as it's a spring answer. Okay, there's their picnic mat. And they've got a nice little plate with some cookies. And there is a giant juice box and some bananas and a sandwich. Great. There's their picnic. 2 left. What did he do last summer? This is water skiing. So I can say he went. And then water skiing, spelling is in the start of the unit, or we can just write water and then skiing. Water skiing. K-I-I-N-G. And again, I picked went because we have did. What will he do next summer? Okay, we have will, so we'll say he will, which is he'll in the short form. He'll probably a summer activity. How about go to a water park? Go to a water park. Okay, and here's the water park. Woohoo! Into the pool. Sorry, I like to make sounds when I draw. Boink. Splash. A very fun slide, but you have to climb so far to get up to the top of the slide. All right. There we go. We are all done. Excellent job, everyone.